One job. Mello, by the way, appreciate the shirt, mad love dog. 2 weeks later, we're finally getting installed the 9 Lives racing wing that I got. I just went ahead and sprayed it. You can literally get this powder coated from them. I was just lazy, I should have done that because this was a lot of extra work, but I finally prepped, sanded, painted it, left it matte black. So this is kind of like a 5-footer. I just recommend going through 9 Lives and having them painted. All right, this thing's starting to shape up. Also, shout out to TJ. Did not know that he was the one that produced the Chris Forsberg his kit for the White Body Z. So I'm kind of like really tempted to buy that car now. But back to the focus of the video. I was even like, while I'm like screwing this thing in, I'm like, oh, I gotta get that car. But let's focus on the Z that I do have. Honestly, the stands, I don't think they're in the correct position. Honestly, I just got them mounted up so that way I can at least just drill into the car properly, mark the holes, and just have this set up and ready. I'm gonna put the end plates on now. Thankfully, 9 Lives Racing does supply the hardware, so it's fairly simple. To be honest, you just pick the positioning that you want. I'm gonna have my wing area like just kind of straight. I'm gonna get a little marker, mark exactly where it's gonna be on the trunk, on the hatch. Dude, look at this thing. Oh, bruh. Look at this thing. I just stood it up so that way I can get an idea, and damn, dude, I'm so hyped. All right, so now I am on the way to my homie Matt. He's gonna let me borrow his drill so that way we can mount this hoe. We got Blaine coming through so we can wash his car, which I'll probably wash mine because I'm actually going, I don't want to say debut because it's not like, no one really gives a crap about my car. Maybe some subscribers will be there. I'll announce that I'm going and stuff, but Caffeine and Octane has kind of grown to be like one of my more favorite ones to actually visit. We're gonna slide over there, riding over with Z1. The new Nissan Z will be there. Yeah, but I just wanted to kind of show everybody the new wing there. I was kind of hoping to have my wrap done as well too, but it's just with the trip to Miami, of course I wanted to see my daughter, so stuff like that got pushed back. Family comes first, but we're finally gonna be back on the grind. I know y'all have seen these videos, so if you already made it this far, you need to like and subscribe. Every YouTuber asks, and we all say the same thing, but it's because it helps, you know what I mean? So without like the exposure, things like this wouldn't be happening. It takes nothing of your time. I know there's multiple people, I look at the analytics, there's a lot of people that watch the videos that aren't subscribed, but keep consistently watching the videos. Take a moment, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and then just hit like. That's all you gotta do. 3 things and you're supporting a channel, not asking for money. You are cambered out, sir. You think you'll get in? Yeah? Wait. Let's check the other side. Okay, you got it. You got it. Oh. Dang, dude, my man said don't try me. Oh, well it did play. There it is. Oh. Apparently I should have just got a G35. That's where I messed up. Hey, you know I'm gonna force you to help me mount my wing, right?
That's why I'm washing my car here.
Lit. Damn, yo, hold on. First of all, like, Blake, come here. Like, I gotta show him how light is this, and like, don't even just be real.
It is pretty.
Bro, babe, remember my chassis mount? Like,
I think it was heavy.
That crap sucked. This, like, if I ever go to Mexico, I can like press this, no problem. I won't even get any gains because it's super light. I'm not gonna lie, pretty scared about this part, you know what I'm saying? Like,
that's fair. You need to.
Okay. How are we looking? Does it look even?
It looks pretty straight.
All right, mark it, bro. Send it. All right, come here, mark it. Damn it. Okay, we need something else.
Maybe I can at least do these so you can at least line the bottom up. Okay.
Okay. Don't even waste your time, Blaine.
I'm curious. Nope.
Nah, just hit your key.
I don't think my key will fit.
What? We gotta have something. Damn. Look, this is how you know she goes to college.
Okay.
I barely went to high school.
Alright, so she said, why don't you just put the stuff on the Q-tip and then push it in? Is it work? Wow! Yeah, perfect. Alright, you got one more, wait, one more hole on this side? The back side?
I already did the back one.
No, it's not, what do you need?
I did.
I'm looking at it.
Oh, there's one on the back of this?
Yeah, you dingus, that's what I'm saying. Look at this guy, not listening to me.
No.
So, yeah, Bella was like, oh, why don't we just put this on the Q-tip, put it there? I'm like, Blaine and I did not go to college.
No, I would have been out here for hours.
Oh yeah, facts. We would have been like, oh, what do we do?
How am I gonna scratch this?
How did they install this? Oh. And I'll lift straight up and bang. Dude, wow, we are dumb. Now, here comes the fun part. I'm gonna do this part here first.
I don't like this.
I'm gonna send it. Money. Bro. Ah. Like,
What?
I'm just like, bro. Blaine's like, dude. I'm like, you like that? I hope the center is it. Is there like a module under here or something?
Nah, there's nothing under
Blaine's like, nah. Wait, let me look.
There's nothing
Nah.
under the hatch, I don't think.
There is, I'm pretty sure. Let me just make sure.
It's a little late now, you already put a hole in it if there is.
You are right.
What are you gonna do if there is at this point? Nah. Ain't nothing under there. It's all the way over here.
But how am I gonna screw it in?
You probably gotta drill all the way through this.
Oh, God. Wait, where are the holes?
One's here. One is, they're like right
Oh,
behind that.
God, I see it. Oh, that's such a mission. Okay, I see one like right here. Yeah, all right.
If you,
No.
Oh, no, there's probably just hole, I don't know.
Gotta send it. One chance, one opportunity. Now I need a new bit. Damn it. Blaine, what did I say before we started? I was like, damn.
Don't break the
I only got one bit. It's not even mine. This is Matt's.
I'm gonna lower it more.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
One job. I didn't even get to the other side. Want to take me to the parts store real quick?
Sure.
Okay.
This is...
Round 2.
That's the highest like speed?
Huh.
Let me see it.
Huh. Am I going the wrong way? You know,
Shouldn't be.
yeah. Maybe it's just because it's a cheap bit and the other one was a good one.
Good thing we broke a good one.
Yeah.
Good thing we didn't buy the good one.
Sorry, Matt. No, that's gonna not ain't gonna win. Oh, oh, dude! I didn't go to college. Here we go. Watch this. Damn it!
That was
On the same one! What the freak, man? Bro! Hey,
right there.
you hear that? Is it recording?
Yeah.
He's on the power line.
Yeah, it sounds all
chilling.
springy. Huh. Huh. Look at him just singing. Look, point the camera at him. Look.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, he's throwing a concert. Hey, watch him open up for 2 Chainz.
Still here?
Still selling fake doors.
Still selling fake doors.
So the smartest way to kind of just get this on without scratching my paint, we're gonna make Blaine hop in the trunk. So I'm not gonna hold you up. The red Z might actually be the most fire color available. Like, that is clean as hell. This is my first time seeing an auto, but yeah, I had a feeling this was gonna be the best color. Might have to get that Street Hunter kit with this color.
I like the red and the black.
Yeah, the red and the black is the best.
Yeah.
So the red with the black interior goes so much harder in person. Plus, also, you guys know I'm gonna take this dash and put it in my car. I wish I could put the infotainment system, but everything is super clean about this. Especially now with that Street Hunter kit that's out. This is honestly insane, but everything looks literally Z34. Like, it's same chassis code, but it just take out from this, put in the new, or just buy it. Alright, so there's some daylight. I'm going to finally show you guys how the wing turned out, and I couldn't be happier. To be honest, I feel like I'm going to add some reinforcement when I take it back off and do the wrap, but here's the 9 Lives Racing wing on my VR Swap 370Z. Hey there, bud. What you up to? Dang. Working the event?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What do you know how to do?
Everything.
Yeah, so how much are one of these?
Well, in order for you to get any of these, you have to scan the QR code so that you can win some detail products.
Yeah, but I bet I got email in, don't I?
Yeah.
You bastard.
Yeah, right. There's always a catch, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. As insanely fun as this looks, I'll see you later. Hey, you got you one of them there, them Z's?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, you know, you
It's just a DE though.
oh, you should have just put one of them 4 5.0s in it.
I know.
I don't know why these Nissan think they're moving. What do you think?
It's one of them double intake DEs.
Ugh, those are the worst kind.
Yep.